Hi, we have designed this PLC trainer kit, small in size, ultra low cost, powder coat material. We have given a power cord which you have to plug into 230 volt. Inside the trainer kit, we have given the SMPS switch mode power supply which is used to power up the PLC. Even we have provided a communication cord which you can directly connect to the system and you can download your logic. As you see here, we have provided push buttons as a digital input and the indicators as a digital output. These ultra low cost trainer kits are best suited for the training centers and the colleges and the institutions, and even the individuals and the professionals must have this. So we have designed this PLC trainer kit. This is a very small in size, compact PLC trainer kit. We can see here a Delta PLC. Okay, and we can see some push buttons. Total 8 push buttons are connected and 6 outputs are shown. Okay, all the inputs are digital, all the outputs are digital. All the inputs we have considered as normally open contact. So let me zoom this a bit. So I have zoomed the PLC. As we can see here, this PLC is powered. We can see a power LED green and the run. PLC is in run mode. Okay, X0 till X7, 8 inputs are connected. At output side, the output addressing starts as Y0, Y1, Y2 and so on. So we have connected some outputs. 5 output we have connected. Out of 6 output, we have connected 5 output. 1 output we have kept blank. This is the programming port. We can use this programming port to communicate with the laptop or a PC, and we can upload and download the required program. The R stands for relay output. The PLC is having the relay output. So let us see input and output one by one. So when I press this push button, we see that this particular output turns on. Okay, and when I release the input, output is put off. So again we'll see when I give the input, okay, output is on. When I release the input, output is off. The second push button is pre-programmed for latch. Latch means this particular output, green color, it will remain on even if I release the input. So I am pressing the input, I am releasing the input. Even after releasing the input, we see that this particular output is continuously on. This is programmed for stop. So when I press this push button, the output is put off. Okay, we can again check latch, okay, and unlatch, stop. The third push button is programmed for a timer. This enables the internal timer, and timer is designed for 5 seconds. The moment I press and release this input, this particular output is put on after 5 seconds delay. So let me just press and release and wait for 5 seconds. We see that this output turns on. This push button is designed to put this off. So when I press the input, this output is put off. The next push button is designed as a counter. I have to press this input for 5 times. The moment I press this 5th time, this output, particular output, is put on. So let me count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the moment I press the 5th time, this puts on. We see, and this push button is going to reset the counter. The moment counter goes back to 0, this output also goes off. And the last push button we have designed as a simple normally open NO contact. The moment I close it, this is on. When I release, this output is off. Same like our previous or the first push button. So let me press it. The output is on. When I release, the output is off. So we'll see the compactness of this trainer kit. See, it's a very small trainer kit.